Oh yeah. Some better light up on this piece, son. Guys, I wanted to show you some more gear that was sent to me by the good fellas at StayFresh. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. My guy sent me some cool stuff, and look out. I'm gonna pop this open in a second. As you can see, the gear is looking amazing. I might have to reach out to him to find out how he's putting all this together, man. The packaging and everything, it's just clean, very nice. And I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what I got. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh. Oh man, I love this green. This green actually goes perfect with my Yodas. I have an Adidas jacket too that goes perfect with this green. The material is amazing too. Love the material. Woo! So shout out to them good fellas at StayFresh. You guys know who he is. One of the sharpest barbers out there. Boom. So appreciate you for sending that to me, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Really means a lot, man, that you guys are so supportive out there and you want to send me some cool gear. Really means a lot. So I'll put that aside right there. This right here. And now, on to the next one. Another color I love. It's like a maroon, kind of a burgundy color. And the best part about it is I also have a sneaker to go with this bad boy right here. I'll show you guys some of the other stuff inside the packaging. But I love the way this looks. Once again, great material. Nice, soft material. It feels that jersey material. Feels so good. So good. Love it. Love the lettering. Love the design. Love the color. Oh man, shout out to the StayFresh crew, man. You guys put together amazing products. And I'm going to be rocking those on some of my Instagram stories that I'm going to be posting this week to end the week strong. And then I have some cool stickers. You already know one of the stickers are going on the box. Check it out. Stay fresh. Stay fresh. Yeah, you already know. As a matter of fact, we're going to put the sticker on the box now. Let's get this bad boy on here. StayFresh always going to be in the video. If I can get the sticker off. Boom, here it goes. Ooh, yeah. Right there, you all up in the box, bro. Oh my. StayFresh crew has earned a sticker on the box. Stickers come from the supporters. I love it. Put that aside. Boom. This right here is going to go to my homie Squeaks Pro Barber. This is an actual gift for you. I told him that you are one of the sharpest barbers I know in Florida. And he told me to share this with you. So on my next appointment, I will be delivering a StayFresh blade. And when I'm rocking the gear, you already know I'm going to rock this dude right here too. Boom. Oh man. Appreciate that for showing love. Love the button. Thank you for the sticker. Thank you for the shirts. Guys, if you're not out there right now checking it out, check it out. StayFresh. You can Google them. Check them out. If you're looking for a cut, my man is one of the best barbers out there in Philly as well. So stop by. Check out the website. Show some love. And hopefully if you guys want to see some merchandise on my site from StayFresh, I'll connect with them and we'll make it happen. But y'all take care. You enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe and take care. Today I am talking about some merchandise built by my partner in business, my brother, for YoungRoyal Apparel. As you may know, we're also looking at possibly getting started with an athletics line. However, you know, it takes time. We're figuring some things out and finding out exactly what works for us, what distribution centers we can work with, what gears and designs and things of that nature. But you know already, I already have my merchandise on my website, www.JQ215vlog.com/shop. So if you're looking for some of the JQ215 merchandise, it's all on there. However, I am partnered up with YoungRoyal Apparel, and they're creating some of the gear for me as well. So we're going to see some different colors, different designs. It's going to switch up a little bit. So as you can see here, JQ215, orange and blue with social media tags. Not to mention, as you can see on the back, we got some stuff on there as well. So definitely wanted to show you guys what we got going on. My brother is extremely creative, extremely artistic, so I am excited that we will be building some things out. Now, he did put some other shirts together, you know, navy blue, black, grays, things that kind of match some of the sneakers that I have that I've been showing you guys. So perfect example of that would be a shirt like this one right here. Has the navy blue trimming, gray shirt. Love the color combination there. And I'm gonna fold this one, put it aside. My wife says I'm horrible at folding. I think she is right. Whoa, I think I hear a puppy crying. Hold on real quick. Hey, beautiful. Hi. We do. Come here. Oh. So this is my beautiful new puppy. Her name is Sunshine. Sunshine. She's actually right there at the top of the steps crying for me. She loves me already. And now we have this one right here. And what I love about all of the shirts and the merchandise that he's making, my website is right behind it. So if you are interested and want to stop by the website, you can check it out. I have my social media handles on there. I have some of my affiliate links on there. I have my merchandise on there. Not to mention, guys, I am consulting. I've been helping out a few new YouTubers out there, and now I'm going to start charging for my consulting services when it comes down to YouTube, credit repair, and other things of that, you know, to be able to help people. So this is one more design I have. Let me fold that. Once again, wife says I'm horrible at it, but I don't care. Here goes another one, my all white one. My wife actually just came at me and was like, hey, where's my stuff at? So this is some of that stuff I have going on right there. Here we go. Let's pick that up right here. Boom. Flip. Throw them up. So that's one. And then this one's the gray and black one. I actually just posted some of my videos wearing this one right here. I love gray. I love the color gray. I love the color black. I love earth tones. Just nice. And once again, as you can see, the JQ215 logo. So if you're out there in Philadelphia and you're interested in getting t-shirts for your business, for your brand, for your channel, whatever the case is, all you have to do is hit up my brother Lou at Evolution Auto House. He's on Instagram, he's on Facebook. Lou Rock, Louis Cologne, a couple different names you know him by. And then if you're looking for stuff for birthday parties, gatherings, anniversary parties, parties in general, business meetings, for the business, if you're looking for shirts, good cost, very efficient, he gets the stuff done very well. Let me know. I can hook you up with him. All you have to do is let him know JQ215 sent you, and then we can get that hooked up for you. So stop by, let us know. Once again, it is YoungRoyal Apparel. That is the clothing line. We're looking to get it branded and do more. Right now, we're just getting the name out there, showing some designs of things that we have working. But keep in mind, guys, you know, it's we can still help you out. We have the print machines. We have all types of wraps and colors for lettering. So anything you need, all you have to do is put in the order, let them know what sizes, what colors, what design you would like. For an additional fee, he can create the design for you. It's a flat rate fee. It's not a fee per shirt. So you pay per shirt, you pay per letter, and you pay if you need the design as well, because the guy has great artistic, he's just a good artist. You know, my brother has tagged back in the days. He's always been a great artist, and he truly loves what he does. Like, I've seen this dude up 3, 4, 5 in the morning making shirts and all that craziness. And that's just when it comes down to the apparel side of the business. If you're looking for auto body needs like bumpers, you know, dent scratches, if you're looking to paint your car, if you're looking to do anything like that, all you have to do is let him know. Excuse me. This dog is full of energy. I love it. I'm going to post a video of the dog as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is JQ215 talking about YoungRoyal Apparel and some of the designs that we've gotten together and partnered on. So I want you guys to stop by the site. Let me know what you like, and then we can move on from there. www.jq215vlog.com. Do not forget to stop by the website, and also share, subscribe, repost, whatever you can do to get the JQ215 channel out there to your friends and family. You all know my content, it's limitless. I have all types of stuff going on. So let me know what you think. Have a great day. Leave a comment below if you're interested in some merchandise, and then we'll get that giveaway going as well. Take care. I also want to thank Lou Rock from YoungRoyal Apparel, El Barbero from StayFresh, Year Most Hated for helping my brother, and my puppy Sunshine for stopping by.